In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the DocuSign error that says signing certificate is expired. This is a common issue that can stop you from sending or signing envelopes, and it usually happens when there's a problem with an existing digital certificate, an outdated document, or sometimes even a usage or account limitation. The good news is that in most cases, it's very easy to fix. I'll walk you through several proven solutions step by step so you can get back to sending and signing documents without any delays. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and easy software tutorials just like this. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is check the document and envelope details inside your DocuSign account. Log into DocuSign and go to the Manage tab where you can see all of your envelopes. Find the envelope that triggered the signing certificate is expired error and click on it to open the full details. Review the status of the document and check whether the certificate attached to the envelope has expired. If you're using a digital certificate issued through DocuSign or uploaded manually, it may have a validity period that has now passed. In that case, you'll need to renew or replace the certificate before you can continue. If you're part of a business or enterprise account, you may need to contact your account administrator to update the certificate on your behalf. The second solution is to remove and reapply the digital signature fields. Sometimes the error is caused by an outdated or corrupted signature field embedded in the document. To fix this, open the affected envelope and, if available, click on the correct option. This allows you to make changes before the document is completed. Remove the existing signature fields from the document and then re-add them from the DocuSign tagging tools. After reapplying the signature fields, save your changes and resend the envelope. In many cases, this refreshes the certificate association and clears the error immediately. Next, check if the PDF you uploaded already contains an old digital certificate. If you prepared the document in a tool like Adobe Acrobat and applied a digital signature before uploading it to DocuSign, the embedded certificate may have expired. DocuSign can detect these certificates, and if they are no longer valid, it may block the signing process. To resolve this, open the original file in your PDF editor, remove any existing digital signatures or certificate security settings, and then save a clean copy of the document. Once you've done that, go back to DocuSign, create a new envelope, and upload the cleaned version of the file. Then add fresh DocuSign signature fields and send it again. Another important step is to verify your system date and time. This might seem simple, but certificate validation depends heavily on accurate time settings. If your computer's date or time is incorrect, even by a small margin, it can cause certificate validation errors. On your computer, go to your date and time settings and make sure everything is set automatically according to your correct time zone. After updating the settings, fully close your browser, reopen it, and log back into DocuSign before trying again. You should also review your account's certificate and security settings. Click on your profile icon, go into Settings, and look for any digital signature or certificate management options available under your plan. If you're using a DocuSign-issued signing certificate, check whether it needs to be renewed. If the certificate has expired, renewing it through your account settings or contacting DocuSign support will resolve the issue permanently. For enterprise users, your organization's administrator may need to update the certificate at the account level. Finally, if none of these steps fix the problem, reach out to DocuSign support directly. Provide them with the envelope ID and a screenshot of the error message. They can confirm whether the issue is related to an expired signing certificate, a back-end account setting, or a plan limitation. In most situations, it's either an expired embedded certificate in the document or a certificate that needs renewal within your account. And that's how you fix the DocuSign error signing certificate is expired step by step. Start by checking the envelope details, remove and reapply signature fields, clean any old digital certificates from your PDF, verify your system date and time, and review your account certificate settings. One of these solutions will usually solve the problem quickly so you can get back to sending and signing documents without interruption. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.